Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Wahyuni. You can call me Adele. My study ID number 24411102. I am from class management 24EX. Company environment and culture. Corporate environment. Corporate environment. The corporate environment refers to all external and internal factors that influence the operation and strategies of an organization. These factors can include physical, social, economic, political, and legal elements that affect the decision, behavior, and performance of the company. The corporate environment can be divided into two main categories. 1. External environment. Factors outside the control of the company but still impact its activity and decision. These include economic environment. The broader economic conditions such as inflation, interest rates, and consumer purchasing power. Social and cultural environment. Social value, norms, and behavior in society that influence how a company operates. Political and legal environment. Government policies, regulation, and laws that affect business activities. Technological environment. Technological advancement that creates new opportunities or challenge for the company. 2. Internal environment. Factors within the company that affect its performance, including organizational structure, how the company organizes the division of tasks, responsibilities, and hierarchy. Human resource, the skill and quality of employees and leadership within the organization. Process and system. Procedure and system used to manage daily operation. Corporate culture. Corporate culture refers to the value, norms, beliefs, and practices that are accepted and applied by members of the organization. This culture shapes the way employees think, behave, and interact with one another and with customers or other stockholders. Corporate culture often becomes a driving force in creating a healthy work climate and improving company performance. Key aspects of corporate culture include 1. Value and principle. The core value upheld by the company, such as integrity, innovation, sustainability, or quality. Norms and practices. Behavioral patterns established within the company, such as communication style, teamwork, or how sales are approached. 3. Symbol and stories. Symbol, logos, and company story that reinforce the identity and value of the organization. 4. Work environment. The atmosphere and relationship in the workplace, whether formal, collaborative, or more relaxed and flexible. Example of corporate environment. External environment. Economy. Example, if an economic recession occurs, company may face a decrease in demand for their product or service, leading to reduced production or cost efficiency. Example, fluctuation in currency exchange Race can affect companies involved in international trade, both in terms of raw material costs or product pricing. 2. Social and culture. Example, changes in consumer preference for environmentally friendly products may encourage companies to change their products to be more sustainable, such as replacing plastic material with recyclable material. Example, the increasingly popular flexible work culture may influence companies to after remote work policy or flexibility in work hours for employees. Example of company culture: 1. Innovation culture. Example, technology companies like Google or Apple have a culture that strongly supports innovation and creativity. Employees are encouraged to think creatively, share new ideas, and create different solutions. Google, for example, has policies like 20% time that allow employees to spend 20% of their work time explaining set projects that could lead to innovation. Category: providing freedom to experiment, willingness to accept failure as part of the learning process, and appreciation for new ideas. 2. Collaborative culture. Example, Zappos, a commercial company, emphasizes the importance of teamwork and open communication. Zappos takes employees' leadership seriously and creates an environment that supports collaboration with the goal of enhancing the customer experience. Categoristic collaboration between terms, open communication, sharing of information, and support for group work rather than individuals. Summary: a strong corporate culture can enhance organization performance, strengthen employees' loyalty, and attract potential employees and customers. On the other hand, a peer culture can stifle innovation, create tension, and reduce work motivation. Summary 2. Corporate environment and corporate culture are interrelated and play crucial roles in the long-term success of an organization. The corporate environment affects how a company operates, both externally and internally, while corporate culture determines how individuals within the organization interact and work toward common goals.